Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we will see how to install Rstudio for Windows. For installation, open the Chrome and search R download. When installing R, you should be logged in as administrator. Now, we will open download R-4.3.2 for Windows. And for any other operating system, we can search for cran.r-project.org. Now click on download R-4.3.2. For installation of Rstudio, it is mandatory to install version of R greater than 4.3. It will take few seconds to install, and now we will do setup of R. First we have to select language and then click on OK. Now we will have to click on next and we have to browse location or the folder, then click on next and it will take few seconds to install and then click on finish. Now we have to search Rstudio download in Chrome and we will open the website of POSIT. We will have to scroll down the cursor. There are two steps: install R, second install Rstudio. First steps we had already done, second I had installed Rstudio. Now we will see the setup part. Click on next. Setup will install Rstudio in folder, browse that folder. Click on next and then click on install. After installation, click on next and then click on finish. Rstudio has been successfully installed for Windows.